Good morning, grade 5s. We are continuing to use number lines to work out grams and kilograms, and number lines help us to read scales. Let's look at the first number line, number 1. We want to know what each hop is. So let's look at the giant hop first. The giant hop between 400 and 500 is 100. So we need to share 100 between two smaller hops. So 100 divided by 2 is 50. So we know that each of the smaller hops is 50 grams. Let's look at the next number line, number 2. The giant hop from 600 up to 700 is 100, because 600 plus 100 is 700. How many smaller hops do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to share 100 between the 4 smaller hops. So 100 divided by 4 goes twice, remainder 2, and 4 into 20 goes 5. So each of the smaller hops is 25 grams. Let's look at number line 3. Between 800 and 900 is a giant hop of 100, and we need to share it between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 small hops. So 100 divided by 5 is 20. So each of the smaller hops is 20. So let's have a look again at number 1. What will this measurement be? Well, 400 plus 50 grams is 450 grams. Let's look at number 2. What will this measurement be? 600 plus 25 is 625, 650, 675. 675 grams. Let's look at number line 3 and let's find out what that measurement is. From 800, 820, 840. So once you've worked out what each of the smaller hops is, it's very easy to work out what each measurement will be. Let's have a look at number line 4. I want to know what A is and what B is. So first, I need to work out the hops. So instead of starting at A, we find a number that is in the hundreds and a number that is in the hundreds, and we see what the giant hop is between them. From 400 to 500 is one giant hop of 100, because 400 plus 100 is 500. Now we need to share that 100 between 1, 2, 3, 4 hops. And 100 divided by 4, if you look at the ones that you've already worked out, is over there. Each hop is 25. So, how do we work out what A is? Well, it's 400 minus 25. And 400 minus 25, 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 3 minus nothing is 3. So A is 375 grams. Let's look at B now. We know that each hop is 25 grams. So we can start at our 500, and 500 plus 25 is 525 grams. Let's move on to some kilograms. We work them out in a very similar way to the way we worked out the grams. From 1 kilogram to 2 kilograms is a hop of 1 kilogram, because 1 plus 1 is 2. Now remember the clue. 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. How many hops are we sharing that kilogram between? 1, 2. So we take our 1,000 grams and we share it between 2 smaller hops. And 2 into 1,000 goes 500 times. So each of the smaller hops is 500 grams. So what will this one be? 1 kilogram and 500 grams. Let's look at number line number 2. From 1 up to 2 is 1 kilogram, because 1 plus 1 is 2, and 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. How many hops are we sharing that 1,000 between? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 goes into 10 twice, remainder 2. 4 into 20 goes 5 times, and 4 into 0 goes 0. So each of these hops is 250 grams. And if we count from 1 kilogram to 2 kilograms, it will go like this. 1 kilogram, 250 grams. 1 kilogram, 500 grams. 1 kilogram, 750 grams, because each time we've added 250 grams onto it. Let's look at number line 3. Once again, from 1 kilogram to 2 kilograms is a 1 kilogram hop, and 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. How many spaces are we sharing it between? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 into 10 goes twice, into 0 goes 0, into 0 goes 0. So each of these hops is 200 grams. So let's see what each hop is. This one will be 1 kilogram and 200 grams. This one will be 1 kilogram, 400 grams. 1 kilogram, 600 grams, and 1 kilogram, 800 grams. And if we add another 200, we get to 2,000 grams, which is 2 kilograms. Let's look at the last one. From 1 up until 2 is a hop of 1 kilogram, and 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. How many hops are we sharing it between? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are sharing this between 10 hops. And 10 into 1,000 goes 100. So each of these hops is 1,000 grams. So this one would be 1 kilogram and 100 grams. What would this one be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700. So it would be 1 kilogram, 700 grams. Let's look at the last number line. I want to know what A is and what B is. So the first thing we have to do is figure out how many hops there are. So we look at the measurements that are kilograms. We won't look at the ones in between. So from 2 kilograms up to 3 kilograms is a big hop of 1 kilogram. And remember, 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. How many smaller hops are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are dividing 1,000 by 8. 8 into 10 goes once, remainder 2. 8 into 20 goes twice, which is 16, remainder 4. And 8 into 40 goes 5 times. These are your times tables, aren't they? So each hop is 125 grams. So what will A be? It will be 2 kilograms and 125 plus 125 plus 125. And if you work that out, 3 times 5 is 50. Oops, not sure what happened there. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, and 3 times 1 is 3. So it is 2 kilograms and 375 grams. What will B be? It will be 2 kilograms, and we know that this one is 2 kilograms and 500 grams. So if we add 125 and 125 to 500 grams, what will we get? Plus 125 plus another 125, we have got 750. So B, let's write it down here, is 2 kilograms and 750 grams.